you looking for a new pair of shorts for exercising? My name's Hannah with WTI. I needed a new pair of shorts for running, and so I wanted comfort and I wanted a nice inseam so my thighs don't rub together. And I found all of this with Awwena's no front seam high waisted biker shorts. There's a 4-inch inseam that was very helpful, and the material on these is so soft and buttery smooth. It's also nice and thick. I didn't have a problem with these rolling down on my stomach. They are high waisted, so I felt like I had good coverage. There's a little bit of compression, so they really are a flattering shorts. I'm not one to usually go running in tiny little shorts, but these I feel comfortable in. The 4-way stretch fabric also really does move with your body. So like I said, it doesn't roll down. The shorts don't roll up. It just moves with your body however you're moving. Perfect for yoga, exercising, running, whatever. I think you will be thrilled with these shorts. I know I have been, but that's just my point of view.